everyone. Jennifer Miller down here at the Longmont Yarn Shop. I'm super excited to tell you about first time brand new class I'm getting ready to launch, which is called the Ultimate Dyeing Experience. So this is going to be a class about yarn dyeing, also about working with yarn shops, and about sourcing materials, everything you need to know. If you ever thought you might be interested in creating your own yarn line and perhaps selling it, we'll be covering it in this class. So this is going to be a great idea. Also, I want to really let you know that if you have a vision for a color or a vision for some kind of treatment of yarn or some kind of color effect that you've never seen, or you really want to see if you can get yourself, I will guide you towards getting this specific color, specific effects. And so this is a 3-part class. It's called the Ultimate Dyeing Experience. It starts on August 11th. It's on 3 Friday afternoons here in Longmont. And this class includes a lot of stuff. Not only all the information and knowledge that I've gained over these years, but also all the equipment that you need, all the information on sources and supplies, and a lot of yarn. So every class will be partly experience, partly information, partly visioning, and also yarn dyeing. So that's going to be the 3 parts to this class. Every class will have some of this. So in this particular class, we'll be doing 3 kinds of special effects dyeing, which this class will be on wool dyeing. We'll be doing tonals, a solid color with tonals. We'll be doing a drop-on of color like this one, and we'll be doing a hand paint version sort of like this. So there's some ideas just to give you, this is only a few. If you have a vision of some other kind of yarn, I can show you how to get it. So this, and it does include all the equipment that you need. You'll get a basket, a tote, all the stuff you need, the containers, everything you need to do it. And we will be dyeing yarn every class. So this, I'm envisioning this as the first series of 4 classes like this. So if you're interested in starting your own yarn business or learning how to work with yarn shops, this is the place where you'll do it. And in future classes, we'll be working with plant-based fibers and all other different kinds of fiber dyeing. So down in the chat, you'll see the link to my class and the link to this experience. So please pop on there. You can also drop us a note about if you have any questions, and if you would like to sign up, we would love to have you. It's going to be a limited group, so grab your spot now. Thanks, and see you soon. Bye, guys.